Tom Bailey, 69 Camaro. Chassis built by Suncoast Race Cars out of Florida. 615 twin turbo, Steve Morris engine, 88 millimeter turbos, Rouser Turbo 400 transmission. The prep for Drag Week 2018, we kind of dusted it off. It hadn't been out.
Next up in the right-hand lane, Tom Bailey with his 6 seconds 1.0. So Tom was telling me that this car, the engine hasn't been out of it since the last time it ran Drag Week, and we know it's got a ton of street miles on it. He drives it around the Detroit area all the time.
Mile at 169, he's going sixes, 673 with a 0, 210 miles an hour for Tom Bailey.
That's the first quarter mile pass on the car since 2015. It's been like a daily driver at home. We take it out to eat all the time, and this was basically just a throwback thing that let's do it. Let's take 1.0 or whatever and see how it does, and obviously, I mean, it still can run sixes. If it's just a little drizzle and the road's just wet, it's all right. I mean, you start getting any puddling on the road, then I mean the thing just hydroplanes. Obviously, when you're driving with basically street radials on the back, I mean they're still 16 inches wide. So I mean that's a lot of patch that's floating on top of the water. So I mean there's a couple times where we had to pull off, wait out the storm for a little while, and once it got down to a smaller drizzle, there. But I mean we went through. There was some paths where we went through 4 or 5 inches of standing water that we had to make it through. I've driven it in the rain plenty of times, but as far as driving in the rain continuously for days on end, that hasn't been done. So I mean, we'll see how the wiring can hold up to that.
The car made the drive through the sopping rain, came here, and now is trying to better the performance they laid up yesterday. It's a car that has run deep into the mid 6 second range. An engine that has not been apart in several seasons, or years if you talk to Tom Bailey. Big tires and big horsepower on both sides. Bailey's car begins to pull ahead of the back half. 667.4, look at the speed. 219 miles an hour for Tom Bailey.
As far as being in front, I mean, fortunately, unfortunately, I've been in front lots of times. So on day 1 and whatever, day 3, I'm not here. So we'll see.
And here comes Tom Bailey, our current overall leader. The man averaging in the 6 second zone. This is 6 seconds 1.0. Lean, mean, and let's watch it happen here. 8th mile at 4:41.72. Bailey 665. 219.61 miles an hour for Tom Bailey.
Yeah, today made another good pass, and then just got an oiling issue or whatever. I mean, compression, everything's there, so just taking things apart, trying to make sure everything's okay.
We were just leaving yesterday, and we kind of walked by his pits and said, "Hey, you guys are working on stuff." They had the intake and some of the top end off of the motor. You need any parts, help, anything like that? And he said, "Nope, go ahead." And we walked all the way back to the Jeep, hopped in. I was just about to hit the key and my phone rang, and he said, "False alarm, drive over here, we need help." It turned out he had hurt a piston.
It started to get a little loose or whatever, so it was putting oil through there and detonated. So, and then just eventually it did knock that all the way out.
This is the piston out of cylinder number 6 that had the problem. You can see they actually broke a ring, which actually ended up hurting the ring lands. And they were getting oil into the cylinder, which causes all kinds of issues on these high performance engines. Had to get that fixed. Actually got a part driven down all the way from Michigan.
One of Steve's guys brought him from his shop in Muskegon, Michigan, so we had to wait for him to drive 13 hours with a piston. So, because we didn't bring spares, because we didn't figure we'd kill a piston, but
The top leaders in the class can be gone in a blink of an eye at the very end of Drag Week, and that's kind of what makes it cool, because you can see cars that are really, really fast and they're running away with their class, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're going to finish. This is a battle of survival.
he's got an average of 6.686 for the week, putting him in first place by almost 4 full tenths. So if he can get this thing down the track at a decent PT, he's going to stay the leader and stay alive.
Tom Bailey spooling the turbos and driving off the starting line. Bailey makes the shift, the fresh piston in the engine. 159 in the 8th mile, and Tom Bailey goes 7:46.9 at only 145 miles per hour. The early numbers were aggressive, the mid-track, the late numbers were not.
This is one of the top 3 quickest cars of Drag Week right now. As a matter of fact, I think it is the 2nd quickest car of Drag Week.
Push right, push left, kept it in the groove for the most part. And Bryant Goldstone, 694 with a 3, 212 miles an hour for Goldstone.
The moment we've all been waiting for, Tom Bailey. This is where the Hot Rod fastest street car in America is going to be named. The last few days he has run 673, 667, 665, and his bad day yesterday, 749. There he goes. He goes to the 8th mile, 448, 171 miles an hour, and there's another 6-second pass. 676 at 214 miles an hour. I believe you are there looking at the 2018 fastest street car in America, Tom Bailey's win at Drag Week 2018.